Okay, hi everybody. How are you today?
Hi.
I'm Miss Bobby from the Chattanooga Public Library, and today we're going to do music for creative play. And what we're going to do is we're going to make either a didgeridoo, and do you know what a didgeridoo is?
Yeah, it's like a big horn.
It is. And do you know where it came from?
Australia.
That's right, that's exactly right. And if you aren't going to make a didgeridoo today, we're going to just make a shaker. Here's an example of a shaker that my daughter, who are you? And tell me who you guys are, please.
My name is Josie. I'm Lucas. My name is Jude.
And we're from the Chattanooga Public Library, and we're doing a Make, Play, Read, Learn segment for our summer program. So we're going to either be making a didgeridoo, which is a long-winded instrument that that came from, where did you say it came from?
Australia.
Australia, that's right. So you can decorate it any way you want to. So we have, for us, we have markers. We have some beans that we're going to put into our shaker. And you could use scrapbook paper or construction paper or any kind of paper. And we have scissors and glue. And my daughter wants to show something that she made earlier last week. Can you shake it for us, Jody? This is a shaker that she made. So that's what we're going to work on today. Are you ready to get started?
Yeah.
What are you guys going to use for your decorations?
Markers and construction markers.
Cool.
Markers and construction paper.
Okay. So what you want to do first is pick out your paper maybe. And what are you going to put in your shakers?
Beans.
Beans. That's what we have too. That's right. Okay. So, all right, here we go. So the first thing you might want to do so the beans don't fall out, if you're doing the didgeridoo, we have a long paper, gift wrapping paper tube, and for the shaker, you could use just the toilet paper tube. So for this one, you can go ahead and get started because you're not going to fill it with anything. So you could go ahead and get started with that one. Or you can even use a paper towel tube too if you want to for your didgeridoo.
Could you make a big shaker baton thing?
You can. You can if you want to. It's up to you. Okay. So what you want to do is, I'm going to help Jody just a minute here. She chose some scrapbooking paper. So what you're going to do is you're going to just measure the tube to this and then just cut down and then wrap it. Okay, you want to do that? Here's your scissors. So go ahead and get started decorating. And you can even use some paint too if you have paint around, acrylic, or it doesn't even have to be acrylic paint. It could be whatever you want. And to keep the beans from falling out, you need to have a top and a bottom for your paper. So you might want to draw a circle, a bigger circle around your tube. You might, because you want to fold the edges up on the tube to keep it from falling out. So then you want to fold it up. So I've got a heart on mine. I've got the word hi, and let's see, and I've got a smiley face on mine. We're going to introduce the Shakers group from Chattanooga Public Library. On the count of 3, let's all shake our shakers together. 1, 2, 3. Good job, guys. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you very much for joining me and Jody for this program. We appreciate it, and we'll see you all next time. Bye. Thank you.